rainforest of Brazil. And did you know that Amigo is a very responsible bird? He wants to see his environment clean. Now we have here our sample trashes, and now Amigo is going to show us how to clean up this mess. Check this out. Amigo, you know what again? Open the bin and jump inside. Wow! Next one, Amigo. Amigo, very good. Walk all the way again. Open the bin and jump inside. Okay. That's what we're gonna do. Amigo, does it up? Open the bin again and jump inside. Wow! Now, if the birds can do, why can't we, right? So we cannot stop waste production entirely, but everyone of us can make a significant contribution. So think before you bin. It helps save energy and natural resources. It also helps reduce the need for landfills and reduce pollution. Because we here at Cebu Safari strongly believe that cleanliness is next to cleanliness. Now everyone, Amigo together with his five fellow friends has something to tell us. What do you want to say, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari Bird Show. Ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying host. Now here's our touring blood galapagos named Kind and Fun. And wait, here's more. Fly down to the stage, my friends. Now we have a total of 7 balloon galapagos named Harry, Matt, Tony, Kind, Clark, and JR, and 1 green galapagos named Rico. So macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. So if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. Now their diet, they love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. They also have a powerful beak that it can craft a hard-shelled knot. And as you can see, they are free to fly because we don't clip their wings. So we let our birds engage in their most natural habitat to exercise their most natural behavior in the wild. So we treat them as an ambassador of the wild for the next generation to see. And did you know that we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world? And macaws are the largest. So in the wild, they can live 70 to 80 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 19 years. Well, I guess we're going back home to get more food around our house or flying macaws. Now, our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and a very handsome bird. Now, I need your help to call our next bird. Can you say Jumbo? Louder, please say Jumbo! Go on, Jumbo! Alright. Now, here's our another breathing macaw named Jumbo. Now, Jumbo, why don't you wave hi and then say hi, everyone? Hi! Now, can you wave back and say hi, Jumbo? Alright. Now, because of a very long tail and feathers, it can reach up to 3 feet in length from head to tail, with a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now, Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, Jumbo? Turn around, buddy. Nice one. Another one, Jumbo. Alright, good break. Now, we can see most of their colors outside their bodies and less color under its wings. Now, I'm going to show you his wings. Can you say wings? Wings! Wow! Let's do it again. Say wings! Alright. Now, macaws' feet are zygodactylous. That means they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. So they use their feet to hold up things and climb. Now, Mr. Ian has a brown knot, and he will place it inside of the plastic basket. And let's see how will Jumbo get his reward. Check this out. Be carefully lift up the plastic basket and get his reward. So we are using the reward system to reward the intelligence of our bird. And as what I have said earlier, that Jumbo is a very special, intelligent bird. But you know why? It's because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. Now let's test Jumbo. So we prepared 2 tips for him. But first, let's have the spelling test. Now I have your 5 animal pictures. The snake, the camel, the tiger, the zebra, and the horse. Now I want you to choose one